Luna was a stray cat, always cold, always hungry. One day, a kind woman took her in. For the first time, Luna felt safe, warm hands, soft whispers, a home. But one night, the woman didn't wake up. Strangers came, and Luna was alone again. She waited by the door for days, but no one came back. On a cold winter night, Luna looked at the sky, searching for the only soul who ever loved her. And as the snow fell, she closed her eyes, dreaming of warmth one last time.